Today, I want to share with you a hidden secret that can help you possibly fall asleep faster and help you with dealing with insomnia, and that is red light therapy. And today, I want to share with you about this small device that sits on my end table that's been helping me over the last couple months as I've been putting it to a test, and I really wanted to make sure that it worked for me and share with you about my experience, and we're gonna dive in. This is a rechargeable small unit, and as you can see, it has this red glow, and it helps produce natural melatonin and also mimicking the rays of the sun. It's a really interesting device that comes from NASA as far as technology, and so there's science behind it as well. And so when I saw this device, I connected with the company and I said, I'd love to put this to the test, because for me, I do sometimes have trouble falling asleep, but I can wake up to go to the bathroom and then struggle to fall back to sleep. So this device, first, before I share with you about my experience, this device, as I mentioned, works as a rechargeable unit. It stays on for a total of 28 minutes. For the first 14 minutes, it's going to appear brighter, and then the second 14 minutes, it will start diminishing and eventually shut off. So you would think, how am I gonna be able to fall asleep with this red light on? Well, I was surprised when I started using this, how quickly it helped me fall asleep. Now, one thing I wanna share with you as well, this does have 3 levels of intensity that you can decide how well that might work for you. So depending upon the size of your bedroom, you can adjust, and that is very easy to do. And you would just basically turn it on, hold the button in, and you could change it low, medium, and high, and then go with that setting and see if that works for you. You can always go at a lower setting. But again, depending upon the size room that you're trying to fall asleep and deal with the insomnia, you would adjust accordingly. For me, the low works well. So they do mention on the website, it takes a few weeks to potentially adjust to this lighting. And I was struggling when I first started using it. I even reached out to the company, said, this is not really working for me. Said, give it a little bit longer. Well, I'm happy to tell you, again, 2 months into putting this to the test, this product has worked exceptionally well for me. And so I find within just a few minutes, I fall asleep and I fall into a deep sleep. Now, in addition to this light, I do listen to an app to sound, which is called Evolutioner, and I'll be sure to put a link to that. And I highly recommend, not only with the light, but listening to even 2 minutes of their app to fall asleep to works so well hand in hand. Now, one of the other challenges that I thought for me that it would be is I like to use a sleep mask. With this device, you will not be able to use a sleep mask because then it's not going to effectively work. But what you could do, which I do, is when I fall asleep, if I wake up a few hours later to go to the bathroom, I then put my sleep mask on, and I have an amazing sleep mask, which I'll share with you about that one as well. So I can tell you, this is definitely a thumbs up. This product works. It's a little bit pricey, and if there's any discounts or promotions, I'll be more than happy to share those with my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. But if you are wanting to improve on your sleep and insomnia, I would definitely recommend to give this device a test. Great part is the company offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. So no risk, high reward, and you could improve your sleep, making you feel better and refreshed in the morning. So there you go. Check out the testimonials on the website as well. People after people just find this product works so well for them. In the meantime, as I'm sharing this video with you, I'm starting to feel more relaxed as this light is on, and it really does work. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments, please leave those. And if you struggle, let me know what kind of struggles that you have with sleeping and any questions you have in particular about this unit. And if you're using it, please leave any comments how it's working for you. All right, hope you have a great night's sleep, and I hope this product resolves those issues to help improve your sleep. Or if you're having an issue with falling back to sleep in the middle of the night, then this might be the answer you're looking for. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.